In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ClickFunnels API. Working with APIs can seem like a daunting task at first, but by the end of this guide, you'll feel more confident and prepared to harness the power of ClickFunnels in new and exciting ways. We'll start by obtaining the necessary access credentials, specifically the API access token, which is crucial for authenticating your requests. First, you'll need to navigate to your team settings within ClickFunnels. Once you're logged in, look for the Developer Portal, which is your go-to section for managing API integrations. This part of the interface is designed to be straightforward, but don't rush. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It provides all the tools you need for API interaction, and it's here where we'll create our platform application. The platform application is the gateway through which your requests will pass and return data. So, it's important to create this application with care and precision. After reaching the Developer Portal, find the option to create a new platform application. This step is essential since it establishes the infrastructure for your API interactions. Fill in any required information diligently, as this helps ensure your application is correctly configured. Once you've set up your platform application, it's time to move on to obtaining your API access token. The API access token functions as your personal key for the API infrastructure. Imagine it like a pass at a concert or a keycard at a hotel. It authenticates your identity and authorizes your entry. So, with your platform application ready, your next task is to generate this token. The portal will provide an option to create or display your API access token. Click on it and ensure you securely store this token, as it'll be your means of authenticating your requests as you begin interacting with the ClickFunnels API. This token will be used as a bearer token for authentication purposes, a standard approach you'll encounter often in the world of APIs. Essentially, the bearer token must accompany your API requests to verify that you have the appropriate permissions. Always handle your API access token with care. It's sensitive information that should not be shared indiscriminately to maintain the security of your accounts. And there you have it. By following these steps meticulously, you've successfully retrieved the API access token necessary for using ClickFunnels API. With this token at your disposal, you're now ready to dive deeper into customizing and extending the functionalities of ClickFunnels applications, enhancing both your workflow and user engagement. Remember, working with APIs opens a myriad of possibilities. With a little practice and patience, you'll soon be maximizing the potential of ClickFunnels like never before. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll explore using this token to make actual API calls, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips to improve your funnel building prowess.